Alright, I'm heading over to Ryan's and Cody's and Soup's and Josh's right now. And I have a table that I'm bringing for Ryan. But I thought up yesterday that it would be a good idea to grab an air horn and just fuck with everyone on April Fool's Day. So I'm going to put the table in the trunk. This is the base for it right here, but the actual top, the marble top, is in the trunk. And I'm going to have him come out and look in the trunk, and then I'm going to blast him with the air horn. And then I'm going to try and get him in on it with me, because he told me the whole band and everyone else is going to be at the house today. So one by one, or maybe even the whole group at a time, I'm going to try and sneak them out and convince them that there's something fucking awkward in my trunk, and not explain any of it, and just be like, you got to see it, I can't tell you. You just have to look in my trunk, dude. And when they open the trunk, I'm going to try and have them like look behind something. Maybe, and that's where the camera will be, and I'm going to blast them with the air horn. So I can't promise this is going to work out as well as I want it to or had planned it in my mind, and I can't promise I'm going to get everybody or that everybody's going to fall for it, but I'm going to try. Happy April Fools. Wish me luck. You guys got to come see this.
Oh my god.
Look inside of there. Like, open the lunchbox.
Oh my god.
Jesus. Come on, man, that was like good of you.
For real. What is
April
that?
Fools, guys.
What
I kind
is
of thought
that?
that happened.
I was gonna try and get you all one by one, but the fact that I could get you all at once was just too tempting. I'm sorry.
Is that something on the camera?
Huh? Talking about the screech?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, I didn't even. Well, I didn't
I
see
was
you,
right
like-
behind you with it. Josh was gone. He was like, get the fuck away from whatever that noise is. I'm gonna try and get. Is Vince here?
Yeah.
Is he coming?
I don't know when.
Yeah.
He's got work, I think.
I wanted to get as many people as I could with this thing. Now I'm gonna try and get my mom. Love you, Ma. Look inside of there.
Don't scare me now.
April Fools!
I have no makeup on. My hair is not down. Oh my god.
I love you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and get. Is Kenny here? Is Elena here?
No.
Oh, they're so lucky.
April Fools. I have no makeup on. My hair is not down.
Actually, babe, come here real quick. I gotta show you what I got my mom. Look inside there. God damn. The camera knocked over too. Over here, yeah. Over here, above by the tree a little. What's that? What's that up there?
I don't know, is it?
What is was that loud noise, huh?
I don't think she understands what happened.
Probably not. You see the camera?
Uh-huh.
April Fools, Daddy tricked you. Alright, so now I'm going to try and get my sparring partner, one of the guys I train with at Knuckle Up, Jacob. So let's hope this all goes well. Try and position you to where you don't fall. And here we go. Hey, what's up, Jake? I'm out front. Alright, see you in a bit. Hey. Sorry, Jacob. I had to. I gotta show you something. Alright, look inside of that lunch pail.
Is lunch pail?
I'm sorry. I had to do it.
Oh, asshole.
I got so many people with this thing today.
Asshole.
It was the best $8 I ever spent.
Oh, the fucking air horn.
Dude, my
You taking
girlfriend
pictures of people and shit?
video. My girlfriend
That shit's
punched
hella
me in
funny.
the head. My mom freaking freaked out, yelled at me. I got all three of my friends at once. It was.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one.
I was thinking of bringing it to Knuckle Up and trying to get one of the coaches, but I want to get popped. Because my girlfriend's instant reaction, she didn't even hesitate. She just turned and punched the second she heard the noise, and I was like, "Why the fuck did you punch me?"
That's a good one.
And now for Amanda and Kylie. Ha 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 ha. You guys gotta see what I got. Look inside of the lunchbox.
Is it alive?
Might be.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks. Ow. I think you set off the car alarm. She's a tattoo her new car, otherwise we wouldn't have to go outside.
April Fools.
I got the boys even better.
Quincy punched me.
We were only getting $200 back in our deposit. That we should have to buy all the shit this
All right, now Stewie's on his way. hidden in there.
I'm gonna stick around for Frank.
Oh, you're a hero, thank you. Oh, so it's still recording. It is. Alright, the secret is inside of the lunchbox. You would be the dick to pick it up. All of that for nothing because you had to pick it up. I gotta admit, you were the only person who tried to pick it up.
Yep.
Everyone else.
That didn't work so well either.
No, I'm supposed to hold it up right. Oh. Woo. But
They see me trolling.
it's gonna be funny enough as it is. Just wait till you see the whole thing.
I totally
Dude.
discounted.
Yeah, you fucking did.
It's in the lunchbox.
The worst part of it all was I fucking was so trying to get it ready after you called me, and I seen you come around the corner, and I had pulled my keys out and unlocked my trunk, right?
Yeah.
And so I set my keys down while I was adjusting the camera, and you came around the corner, and I didn't think about my keys, and I just, fucking closed my trunk, right?
Oh shit, yeah, no.
And that's exactly what happened when you came up. That's why I had to call Dave.
Damn, that's hella funny. You
So,
totally trolled yourself.
That's fine, because there's gonna be people laughing at this, so.
They're gonna hear like, God damn it, I locked my fucking keys in the trunk. You did your best, Red. You did your best.
Hey, at least I got everyone else hella good today, and at least I ended on a funny note, I guess. It's gotta be karma on my part. I deserved it.
Dude,
I got everybody today.
I'm used to loud ass noises. Like, you did that, I'm like, huh?
Did you get Stewie?
He is the only person who picked up the lunchbox to look inside of it. Everyone else leaned into the trunk and was like, what's in here?
I'm like, I'm not gonna be stupid and lean into it. I'm gonna pick this shit up and see where it is on my terms.
He said Amanda and I were the only ones that didn't jump. What happened?
He picked up the freaking lunchbox instead of just looking in it.
Good job, Stewie. Good job. Way to be different.
I'm different. Yeah, I'm
Just so did it. We don't know what it looks like.
No, not yet. But hey, April Fools.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
Let's scare me.
April Fools. God damn. I'm sorry.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks. Ow. I think he's off the car alarm.
Oh my god.
Jesus. Come on, man, that was good of you.
For real. What is
April
that?
Fools, guys.
What
I kind
is
of thought
that?
that happened.